In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Phaeton key fob. This is a really easy process. It'll just take you a couple minutes, and all you'll need to get it done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. Come over to your key fob, flip out the key, and inside here you can see there's that little opening. Put your flathead in there, insert it, and twist. You can see we've just pushed these two halves apart. You can take the top part, set it to the side, and using the same flathead, come in here in this key area and just pry, kind of pushing the two pieces apart, and this will open up and you'll have access to the battery. Use the same flathead once again, coming in here, and there's an opening up on the side where the key ring is, and you're going to use the corner of your flathead to get under the battery and just gently pry it up. There we go. Take your new CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side, there we go, the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text and information is facing down. Just snap it into place, positive side down, and now we can put it all back together. So set this on top, line it up and squeeze, and then push these two halves back together. And if you'd like to make sure you've done everything correctly, just push one of the buttons and make sure that indicator light is turning on. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, feel free to give it a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.